These are the phonemes and spelling patterns for each critter card in the vowel pair group. Refer to the critter card pamphlets for specific instructions for how to use the critter cards to play the auditory and spelling games. Vowel pairs. Goose, oo, o, u blank e, blank ue, always at the end, ew. Bookworm, o. Owl, ow, ou. Boy, oi, blank oy, always at the end, oi.